All right, so any initial thoughts before we watch the slowdown zoomed in?
Well, as you say, it's really quick, right? The officer sees the victim on the ground. There's blood all over the floor, consistent with someone having been shot, by the way, and being dragged or crawling along. Looks down the aisle. There's the apparent bad guy. It doesn't seem to me you can see his hands, but he's been informed, presumably he's been informed that the guy's armed with a gun. At least that's part of the information we heard dispatch get. And there's the other evidence, the blood, the injuries, the victim on the ground, that's all consistent with someone who's actually been shot with a gun. So I think coming to a reasonable conclusion, and maybe mistaken, apparently it was mistaken, but a reasonable conclusion that this is an active shooter, the state would have to disprove that beyond a reasonable doubt. And I think that would be pretty tough to do under these circumstances. Of course, he doesn't know. We know in hindsight, he doesn't know there's apparently a changing room immediately behind the bad guy with people in it. If you knew that, that would change your thinking, perhaps.